What's the meaning of cheat sheet? Cheat sheet. Cheat sheet.
Cheat sheet. Cheat sheet. A cheat sheet is a concise set of notes or information used as a quick reference for a particular topic. It typically contains key facts, formulas, or instructions that are difficult to remember or too cumbersome to look up. Cheat sheets are commonly used in academic settings, such as during exams, but they can also be used in professional or personal settings to aid with tasks or projects. While the use of cheat sheets can be seen as a form of cheating in some contexts, they are generally accepted as a useful tool for learning and productivity.